Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you beginners makeup kit. So this is I have a pouch in which you can carry your makeup, so this is very convenient to carry makeup for beginners. You can take this travel kit anywhere, just it's very handy. So let's get into it and let's see what's inside it. So yeah, so you can see there is makeup inside it. So I'm going to show you by one by what uh, beginners should carry in their makeup kit. So let's get started. So guys, first of all there is a face kit, which is this is one is from Maybelline New York V Face Brush Contour by Face Studio, and my shade is peach, as you guys can see. So I'm going to show you what's inside it. So there is first of all this is a blush, highlighter and contour. So there is all instructions is mentioned behind. This is very handy for beginners, as you guys can use it. It's all in 3 in 1, so you don't have to spend individually on the products so that you're going to use. And yeah, it's very handy. You can buy it and it's affordable too. So I will mention the link in the description box if you guys want to purchase it. I got this from Nika, by the way. So guys, from the second product is highlighter, because highlighter should be must. It's enhance your look so much by just applying a little. It just make your face glow if you want that glow like a lighting ball. So this is one is from Wet and Wild. So you can see how glittery it is, and my shade is Winter Falls in LA, and this is the illuminating powder, and this should be must in your makeup kit because this changed the look completely after applying it. And I also got it from Nika, so you can also buy this one. So guys, the third product is from Lakme. This is a Lakme Insta Liner, and this is water resistant, and this is everyone's favorite because it's so compact and works really well. I think this is the best product. You should completely uh, trust on it because it's something which is makes look nicer. So you can purchase it, or and this is the must product because line without the liner the looks look incomplete, so you should definitely buy it. This is also available on Nika, so you can purchase it from there. So guys, after the liner, this is must, which is mascara. So this is a Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara. This is the best one, like it's voluminize your lashes. So this is best, like you can you should purchase it because it is something which also enhance your look and make your lashes more voluminous without applying any fake lashes, because beginners don't know how to apply lashes like a fake lashes. So it's like must for them to make their lashes looks like fake. So it's something you should buy it, and it's also from Nika. So I got this from, everything is from Nika that I'm going to show you, so you can purchase from there. And I will show you the wand of this mascara. So guys, you can see its wand, it's little bit curves, so you can completely easily and apply the mascara. So for the base, you can purchase any foundation according to your preferences. So I have this, and foundation should be must because it's really make look together. And this is from L'Oreal Paris. I have this, and my shade is this one, if you are wondering what shade it is. So this is a 3 beige door golden beige, and this is very nice. And this one is for 7.99, but I got this on discount, and it has a pump in it, so which makes really easy to apply the foundation, and it's really nice. It has luminous finish in it which make the look more glam. So I think foundation should be must, because and also you can go for BB or CC cream if you don't want that heavy coverage, but I don't have that, so I'm not showing in it. So you can definitely go for the foundation. and there are numerous foundations that you guys can go for. And yes, so concealer is like very important for the dark circles, blemishes, and dark spots. If you don't want to hide them, then it's completely fine, you can use the foundation on them. But if you really need one, so you can go for this Maybelline New York concealer. You can see it's almost finished, like it's going to be finished soon. So this is a Fit Me in the shade 25 medium. So this one is really nice, the wand is nice and easy applicator. So this is also from Nykaa, and this should be must in the beginner kit to make the look all together. So yeah, there should be one eyeshadow palette. This one is from Wet n Wild, and my shade, there is no shade actually mentioned on it. If you see, well, this is a perfect, you can create many looks from only one. You can see how glittery. There is also transition shade, then this is for, you can, this is a glittery eyeshadow, then this is a black. You can create so many looks only with this little palette. It's something on your own that how you will create those looks. So yeah, this is must, like you can invest in little palette, and it's affordable too. So for beginners, it's just one works wonder. So guys, I think brushes should be must. I got this from Amazon. This is a set of 4 and this is very affordable. I forgot that this is not from Nykaa, and this is from Amazon. This is a set of 4 brushes, and it's completely a package for beginners. You can like take for transition, like blending is really nice with these brushes, and it's becomes really easy. So if you don't want to invest in brushes, so you can also use your fingers, but if you want, you can invest in these brushes. This is from Amazon, and I got this from long back ago. So, and I'm working with these brushes from a long time, so I can say this works really well, and beginners can definitely buy it. So yeah, brushes should be must. And you can see it's bristles. So escape. So this is the eyebrow pencil makes a, so guys, this is a fashion brow cream pencil, and this is in the shade brown. You should opt for brown because brown looks really natural on the eyebrows, and it don't show like a fake thing or something. So you can definitely purchase it, and it's really nice and very affordable too. It's just for 200 something. I don't know the exact price, but it's something very affordable. So definitely purchase it to make your look more enhanced. So guys, I hope that you like the video. So guys, this is the very must thing in the beginners kit, because lipsticks option should be, you can opt for liquid one or a bullet one. So this is from, I don't it's Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte, and this is the very pretty shade, like, so it's the shade Emma 20 Ruby Rush. So yeah, and this is a sugar one from in the shade 40 Plum Yum, and this is a liquid one, so you can like go for liquid one or a bullet one. These are like perfect. So yeah, so I hope you like the video. If you do so, please then subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And if you want more videos, then you can tell me by commenting below. Thank you for watching.